Do you ever feel like you're doing everything and you're still not getting anywhere? Or like you're checking off all the boxes, but you show up here, there, everywhere, and nothing is happening, even though you're working hard. And if you're not seeing the results, well, this video is for you. And I've been there too. And I'll tell you what I wish someone had told me when it comes to what works in personal development. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what actually moves the needle. So, in this video, I'm going to share the exact personal development tools that have helped me and hundreds of the women that I've coached to build habits, routines, and daily action that actually moves them, especially when motivation fades and life gets really messy because life can get messy. So, confidence will take a hit when life gets messy and when you're not moving forward. This isn't fluff. This is no nonsense. So let's get back into control and let's get back into action. Why are you spinning your wheels? Simple. Most women I work with think that, the busier they are, the better they are, but totally being productive and busy are two totally separate things. And productivity, right, is something that we all know that it's that thing that we should go after. And we really begin to think, I'm getting things done, I'm checking off. But the problem isn't in your day, it's also in the tasks, right? So your day might be packed, but I want you to think about what are the tasks that are urgent and important. But most of us, as we have packed days and really busy, we are really working on unimportant tasks and things that are not priority or urgent. So if you begin to become aware, and awareness is where everything starts. What are you doing daily that's actually contributing to your big picture vision? Many times we need to go back and do a calendar audit, and that is going to point out to you, oh, wait a minute. I got it. I wasn't doing the things that are urgent or important. Or keep a pad next to your desk. And as you begin each activity, just write down what you were doing without judgment and look at it and say, huh, that's interesting. Not only do you want to be aware, but you want to be curious. What is that like? And remember that what we have as a big picture is only going to come into focus and become a reality if we are just deleting the noise, deleting the things that don't matter. Now, let's talk about some core shifts that change everything. Once you know what matters and you understand where you're spending your time, it's going to be time to build a routine that protects your your goals, your priorities, no matter what else is going on in the world. This means eliminating distractions and creating a structure around your focus time. So that may mean that if you have a focus time first thing in the morning, you're going to close the door to your office. Or if your focus time is going to be in front of the computer and you don't have a door, maybe you want to turn off the distraction, the dings, and the things that come up in your phone and your computer. All of that is things that derail you. You also want to use one intentional hour. Don't worry about creating a bunch of hours in a day, or it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. And some people tend to say, oh my God, Julie, I'm never going to get done anything that I want if I'm only spending 1 hour. But trust me, if you're spending 1 hour a day in a week, you spent 7 hours working toward your goals. In a month, you've spent 30 to 31 hours. In a year, my gosh, you've spent 365 hours being consistent and intentional in going after your goals and dreams. But more importantly, when you create this focused time, you want to create discipline that works. Even if you're tired, stressed, doubting yourself, keep the promise to yourself to come back and just say, it's only that 1 hour today that I am doing it. I'm not going to do it all day. And I'm only going to spend time in this task during that time. Guess what? If you start to leverage discipline, you're not going to rely on willpower. If you decide what is your 1 hour, what is the intentionality, and you start to work that, you're going to see that you're going to become consistent. And that consistent action that gets you traction will also help you feel more confident in what you're doing. So let's talk about what does it look like in real life, or what does it look like in not theory, right? Because we can talk about scenarios, but let's really dive into this. Here's what happened when women start to align their actions with their goal. They stop chasing things that don't matter. They create and they stop, looking to what is somebody else doing? Maybe I need to go do that because what I'm doing is not working. It's not working because we're not spending enough time in it. We also lessen the chaos that we can have in our life when we start to show up consistently. And when we do that showing up, the momentum keeps us going. And finally, we will see that we don't need to overhaul our life. We don't need to, become a new person or buy that new thing or copy somebody else. We all need to just take the 1 hour habit, one align action at a time. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and you feel like you're not the CEO of your life, that your life is the CEO of you, let's stop that. Become the CEO of your life. Go ahead and ask yourself, what is the next best thing? And find out what are the actions that you need to take toward the vision that you have, and give yourself that 1 hour. It truly is transformational. I hope this helps. And if you like this video, don't forget, share this video, but more importantly, subscribe to the channel because I love to share this. And we're building a community, the Confident You community, where women are becoming the CEOs of their life and business confidently because they are creating the habits that matter. So I believe in you. And if you're stuck, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you thought. And I'm happy to talk about this. All right. Don't forget, my friends, go confidently in the direction of your dreams.